Hi guys, so it's been a month plus that I came on here. I'm so sorry for the inconsistency. I apologize, and I promise you guys I'm going to do better this year. Reason for this delay was because I was preparing myself for a new phase of life, for a new journey, I'm transitioning myself. So I'm so glad to announce to you guys that Joan Beautie is now in Abuja. So if you're watching my video and you're in Abuja, please in the comment section mention your location and where you're watching me from. I know you guys have been my supporter from the day one, but I still need your support now that I'm new in this town. I need you guys to patronize me, and if you don't want to patronize me, you can recommend me to people, your families, your friends in Abuja. You can tell them, oh, I have a makeup artist, she's Joan Beautie. Check out our handle at Joan Beautie on Instagram, on TikTok. We have the same handle all over the social media platform, so you guys can recommend me and refer me. I'll be so glad that you guys were able to do this. My relocation journey was a very big challenge for me. I had a lot of thoughts running through my head because I've stayed 10 years in Benin and I've built my plans. I practically built my business in Benin City. So leaving all of that and being on this journey of a new location, not knowing anybody there, and I just want to start my life all over again. Oh, it was a big challenge for me. I had cold feet, I had fears, but I started praying and I handed everything to God. And at the time, I decided to the only word I had was anywhere the soul of my feet shall tread upon, He has given it unto me. So that is the only word I took, and that is what I'm holding on to, because God is taking me. So wherever my feet treads upon, wherever I shall step my feet upon, He has given it to me as an inheritance. So I have so long hold on to this word. I believed in that word, and I believe that it's going to work for me. So guys, I really am grateful for your support. I'm really happy that I made this journey. I'm happy, I'm grateful to God, even in the midst of my fears, even in the midst of my troubled mind. God still brought me peace. And the most important thing I wanted was just that peace. And I prayed to God, I said, God, before I go on this journey, let your peace confirm my journey. And which God did that. So I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful to you guys also for being patient and always watching my videos, okay? So without you guys, I am nothing here. So I'm grateful to you guys, I'm grateful to God, and I'm promising you guys, I know I've made these promises like every time, almost every time. I keep on saying it, but this time around, I am promising you guys I'm going to be consistent here. I'm going to teach, I'm going to upload videos, educative videos, and that will help you guys grow. And I want you guys to still support me by subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, I want you to subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. So this video is very short, and I will just